now they'll touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Now, this is a video with a slight difference. You may remember, those long-standing subscribers, that I was asked to produce a calendar, a year calendar. This was requested about a year ago, about this time last year, and I did promise that I would do my very best to get one made up. And unfortunately, I got overwhelmed with work and it just didn't happen. But this year it has. And if I just stand to one side, I'll quickly scroll up the artwork for the calendar. This has now been signed off. It's going to go to print very shortly. And you can buy your own Andy Mechanic calendar. It's a 2020 calendar. However, the calendar dates, it's not year specific. I haven't included the day against each of the dates on each month. So you'll be able to reuse the calendar year after year after year. If it's successful, then of course I'll produce a new one next year, the new graphics and so on. There will only be 100 calendars produced. This is a limited edition. If demand is massive, which I don't know, maybe hopefully it will be. If it is massive, then of course I may well produce a second run. I'll reserve that right. I don't want to disappoint viewers. But the first 100 will be special edition, and they will be individually numbered, 1 of 100, 2 of 100, and so on. And also the first 100 will be signed by 1, if not 2, of the Tool Girls. I'm not going to disclose who's going to sign them, but hopefully we're going to get those signed off before they're shipped out. Now, the cost for the calendar is $39.95. That's New Zealand dollars. And the shipping is on top of that. The shipping within New Zealand, if you're here in New Zealand, then it's $10. So please add that to your payment. And if it's international, then the cost is $20. And that is subsidized. I've taken some additional money from the cost of the calendar. I'm going to put it into the postage and, of course, the packing. So this really is a non-profit making venture. It's just really to provide you, the viewer, a calendar that's been requested, something that you can keep for a very long time and will probably accrue in value. And like I say, it's quite a big investment for me. I've obviously got to pay for all the artwork and the printing. And who knows, I might only sell one calendar, or maybe we'll have lots and lots go. If we do sell heaps, then I will make a donation to charity as well. Okay, now the way to make the payment, because I don't have a Andy Mechanic website, not yet, and we don't have, therefore, e-commerce. If you go onto the Andy Mechanic homepage, I'll just step over here a bit because I can use this bit of the screen. Go onto the homepage, you will see a PayPal icon on the banner, bottom right. Click on the PayPal icon and then enter the amount. Now obviously you can send more if you want as a donation, it's entirely up to you, but the prices will be $39.95 for the calendar, plus $10 if it's been shipped here within New Zealand, or $20 if it's going to be abroad. So total price, if you're in New Zealand, the total cost is $49.95, and if you're an international viewer, i.e. you don't live in New Zealand, then the price will be $59.95, including postage. Now the calendars are an A3 size, they're high quality paper, and I'm also hoping to have a plastic cover put, they'll be spiral bound so you can hang it up. There'll be a plastic cover at the front and obviously a piece of cardboard at the back, so they should arrive to you nice and flat. Although I'm not in control of what the couriers do with them, unfortunately. But if you do get one that's completely destroyed when it arrives, please do let me know, because these, I can go back and at least make a complaint, and so can you. Hopefully it won't happen. Okay, so by using the PayPal, once you've made that payment, send me an email please to andymechanic@live.co.uk. The email address is in the description of this video. Include a screenshot or evidence of your PayPal payment. You can put whatever reference you like in there, just make up some numbers, so that I can match it at my end, and give me the full delivery address, including postcode and your full name. I'm hoping to have these calendars shipped out by the end of November, and according to New Zealand Post, they should get to you within 10 working days, so you should get them really by about middle of December, or maybe a little bit later, because obviously we've got all the Christmas post that's going out, but certainly before the end of the year. Okay, crew, well, very strange video, but there you go. I've done you a calendar. Hopefully you enjoy it, and you know, look after it, because like I say, it won't be around forever, and you know, it could be worth a bit of money one day. Who knows? I'll just want to take this opportunity to say thank you very much for all your support. If you do decide to make a donation at any time, you know, over and above with the calendar payment, then again, please make it through the PayPal donate icon. It's really the easiest way of doing it, and the least amount of commission is taken through that process. So the majority of your donation does actually make it into the Andy Mechanic bank account, where we can spend it on, you know, various bits and pieces around the workshop and bringing you lots more videos. Okay, crew, well, until next time, thank you, over and out. And we get the flip again.
Oh,